Hello everyone. In the previous class we have learned file menu of MS Paint. In this video and in this class we are going to learn home tab. Okay. So in the home tab here, clipboard, image, tools, shapes. I will explain about cut, copy, paste. Okay. Select the rectangular tool and select this. Keep it here. Okay. I'm going to select off of the shape and I'm going to click a cut. You can observe what happened. The shape has become cutted. Again, if you want to click on paste, you can click on paste. But your paste from is there, I will teach you later. Click on paste. Now we can get the shape. If you want, you can keep it alive. You can keep it there only. If you can't keep it properly, use arrow keys in a keypad and arrange it properly. Now I want here and also one more mean. You can click on copy paste. So this is nothing but copy paste. Otherwise in paint we can do one more way of copy. Holding control, select the first shape, hold the control and drag and keep it on right side. You can make it multiple points. See? If you don't want, you can select and delete it. Okay, now we understood cut, copy and paste. And next in select, when you click on select, you can observe here rectangular selections, free from selection, select all, invert selection, delete and transparent selection is there. Okay, I'm going to create a shape and I'm going to fill the color. Okay, I'm going to make a one more. You can observe now the background color is coming. If you don't want the background color so go to selection, click on transparent selection. Now see, there is no background. So for which area we have selected, it's considered as a background. If you disable the transparent, you can observe, see, the background color is coming, white color will come. Okay, I don't want again go to selection and click on transparent selection. Now we can observe, see, it is not coming properly. So now we can observe the background color will not come. Okay, I'm going to keep it here and I'm going to fill the another color. Okay, now I want to make a separation. If I use rectangular, it won't come. See what happened? That another shape is going to cut because of the selection tool like a rectangular. Again undo, Ctrl Z, or you can click here. Okay, I'm going to select from here. It never comes. Again undo. But I want to make a separate without making any shape damage select free from selection and select from here. Okay. So this is nothing but free from selection. Free from selection means how you want, you can select it. Okay, I'm going to select by zigzag. You can observe the image is coming by zigzag also. Okay, I'm going to click on undo. Okay, this is nothing but selection. Okay, always keep rectangular selection. And what is select all? Okay, I'm going to make a duplicate. Select here, hold the control, make it multiple of shapes. Now I want to select all. So I can select all and I can delete all. Okay, I want to get back again, click on undo. You can observe here, undo button is there, or shortcut Ctrl Z. Okay, now what I want to do, accept this. Okay, example, I don't want to delete this shape. Accept this, I want to select this all and I want to delete. At the time, accept this, if you want to select like this, go to here, click on invert selection. Now it's looking selection all, but when I'm going to delete, then you can realize it which option we deselected. Inverse which deselect that image and selecting remaining that area. That is called inverse. Again, if you want to get back, you can get it like this. Is nothing but inverse selection. If you don't want, you can select all and again you can delete it. I hope you are getting. Yes. And next crop. Crop already I have explained. So undo. Okay, I want this much only. Okay, the entire drawing sheet I want to crop. When I'm going to click a crop, see, you can getting, yes. And if you want again enlarge, by manually you can enlarge it. Okay, we have understood about the select and crop. And what is the resize? Okay, I'm going to delete. And I said paste from, I will teach you later. So now I am going to teach. Just click on paste from, go to where, okay, choose any picture where you are stored. Okay, I'm going to go like baby. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I'm going to choose this baby and open it. Now we can observe the image is so large, right? So I don't want that much of large, I want to make a small. Go to resize and we can increase. I'm going to give here 30%. Now we can observe the image has been decreased. Again, if you want to increase, go to resize. Again, I'm going to double. But don't do like that, because the pixels will going to differ. Okay, I don't want again that much of space. I want to make a 40%. You can make it. It will decrease. So this is nothing but resize. Okay, I'm going to delete. I'm going to take another image, paste from. Okay, I'm going to choose this image. Go to resize. I will decrease the size. Okay. So I want to make a double. Select this baby. Copy. Paste. So I want to make a rotate, mean you can make rotate, like rotate 90 degree. See? By right you can rotate it. If you want left, you can click on left rotate. Okay. If you click rotate 180 degree, you can rotate like this. If you click vertical, you can click on vertical also, like this. Again get back. But if you click on horizontal, now we can observe. You can keep it like this. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.